What's the meaning of appoint? Appoint. Appoint.
Appoint. Appoint. The term appoint means to assign a particular role, task or responsibility to an individual or group. When someone is appointed, they are given an official position that carries certain duties and obligations. This could refer to appointments in various areas, including business, government, education, and healthcare. Appointments are typically made by someone in authority, such as a supervisor, manager, or other higher-up, and are based on the individual's skills, experience, and qualifications. The result of an appointment is that the person is now officially recognized as having a particular role or responsibility within the organization.